In this video, I'm going to demonstrate three important functions. Number one, SUMIF. Two, COUNTIF. Three, AverageIF. Now, to demonstrate this, I have a data set that shows three columns. Column one is items, then column two, brands, and column three, sales. So let's get started. SUMIF function. Now we want to get a sum of a given brand from this data set. To do that, we use the SUMIF function. So I put SUMIF range, that's the range of the criteria. The criteria is what we are going to search for. The sum range, what are we going to sum? This is what we are going to sum. Put equals. So the sum of del is 992. If we changed it to HP, we get 662. If we changed it to Samsung, we get 200,000. Next, let's see how the COUNTIF function. To demonstrate the COUNTIF, I'm going to use the column of brands. In other words, I want to know how many HPs are here, how many Dells are here, how many iPhones are here. So let's use the COUNTIF function. So I say count if the range I'm counting from is this, and the criteria is what is placed here, close like so. So I have Dell, there are three Dells. This is 1, 2, 3. If I change this to iPhone, I get 1, and it is only 1 here. So that's how the COUNTIF function works. The next function is the AverageIF. I want to find the average of a given brand. So I can use AverageIF. I type AverageIF. Our first argument is the range for the criteria. The second argument is the criteria, which I'll put in cell I15. And the last argument is the range from which I'm going to get my sum. So I see that the sum of del, the average of del is 330,667. So let's go here, pick del. Total del is that, count del, there are 3, and the average of del is this one divided by that to get 330,667, which we can confirm by our computation. This is how we use the three functions, SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AverageIF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, hit the notification button, and make your comments.